Okay, so today we're going to be doing some smash burgers. Got some mincemeat. Now this is, it's got 20% fat in it. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide it up. So if I divide that into 4, roughly, like that. And then what I want to do, so they're roughly the same size, so they're going to be smaller than this. So if I pull a little tiny bit of that off, so we want about around 3 ounces. So probably around that size. Yeah. So I'll pull another one off of that one. And then what we're going to do is we're going to, so that's the size they're going to be, put a bit more off of that. What we'll do is we'll season these up afterwards. Okay, so here we go. That's some done out of 500 grams of minced beef. I've got 7 of these. So we're going to put these in the fridge now, let them chill for about an hour and a half, 2 hours, and then we can go about getting them out and get them onto the grilling plate. So what I'm going to do now is just prep up some salad to go with this. Right, so we've got tomato there, a bit of lettuce and a red onion. So we'll get this prepped up. Right, so we get this chopped. You don't want this to be too thick. So you want quite a thin slice. Now I'm using these, I think they're called blood tomatoes. So yeah, they don't want to be, don't want to be about that thick. So I'm just going to lightly butter these. These are brioche buns. They've got plenty of butter in them already. That'll just help with getting them to toast off and give it a nice little bit of colour there. Okay, so we're just going to quickly toast these. What I'm going to do is get a bit of tin foil, leave those wrapped in there. These won't take long to just brown off. Okay, so I like bacon, so what I'm going to do, put a couple of bits of bacon on here. Cook these first and then just put them to one side. I'll give these a quick fry up, and then put them to one side. Then we'll concentrate on doing the actual burger patty. Okay, so just going to cook these off a little bit. You can have them just raw. I like them a little bit cooked. Okay, so we're going to get this griddle plate nice and hot. I'm going to close this down now. yeah, it's going to take about 5-10 minutes to get up to temperature, and then we can get our burgers on. Okay, so let's get these on the griddle. One there. A bit of grease proof on top, and then we're going to push down. And then off with the grease proof paper. Get another one on there. Back on again. Get 3 on here. Move that over a little bit. Get the 3rd one down. There we go. So there we go, they're done. Looks pretty good to me.